Kasia, dawaj! Dawaj Kasia, dawaj!
Dawaj, Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Miss D and you're watching Miss D Adventures. If you're new here, I placed my phone here. Just don't be concerned why I am bending. Anyway, but I can stand here. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, serious now. I am a Kenyan living in Poland with my fiance, soon to be husband, and I stay at home because now I cannot work. I am only on long-term visa, but I don't have a work permit. Otherwise, I would love to be busy, you know, teaching and stuff. But now that I am not working, what am I doing? Okay, so today let's clean the house and just basic cleaning, not deep cleaning. So I will be just, you know, vacuuming the house and removing the dust. So stay with me. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos, and for those who are new here, please like this video and leave a comment and subscribe. Yeah. Whew. Let's go trendy. Ow. I have a heat. Quick, because I need to learn also. I want to learn language. And then how to learn. My hair. I don't know. I can listen to music on my laptop, but I also want to speak, you know. I want to talk, you know. I don't want the vlog to be boring. Guys, if you have any suggestions about what kind of videos you would love to see, because you know I am here for the blood, for the content. You know, life is not always like that serious. You can have fun with it. So I'm doing these vlogs for fun. Of course, I hope that one day they will turn out to be something, but I am not entirely depending on that. So yeah, we can have fun, we can talk about this and that, and life goes on, you know. So usually I you can see my face. Usually I watch some Kenyan YouTuber who likes storytelling, and I listen to his stories, and I love the stories because I love the stories so much. When I'm doing something, when I'm doing some chores. have already done a lot already, but okay. I will continue. So I thought maybe I vlog. So okay, so let's do this. I will clean here, wipe, because there's a lot of dust usually everywhere. After a few days, you know, the house is white. It's really like it needs like constant cleaning. You must, you know, because you notice the dust really quick. The house is nice, but to be honest, I don't like that I must clean every now and then, you know. You must take care of the house. Yeah. Let me clean this bed here. I must wet this mop because I want to clean this part. Yeah. Yeah. This is dirty from outside, so I don't know what I can do about that. But okay. Better. My makeup is everywhere. Sometimes I am so lazy to remove my makeup. So when I sleep and like I touch my face and I touch the bed, so the bed is like with some makeup like here. And there's a lot of dust. But even the wall, I don't know, like why it's so dusty. Like from the clothes. Yeah. And some of my hair. I love lots of hair. Anyway. You know, like the dust that comes from clothes like this here, when you do like that. Okay, I will vacuum, so it's not a problem if I do like this. Okay, let me vacuum now. I can see a lot of my hair. Oh my god. A lot of my hair everywhere. This is where I usually like do my hair, so like my hair falls. It's like natural twist, but sometimes the hair is weak and it falls. It's normal, I think. And it's difficult to find. Hey guys, today we are going to attend a live tennis match between Poland and Ukraine, and let's go to Gliwice Arena. So this is the arena and I can't wait to show you what's gonna happen and everything about tennis. This is my first time attending a tennis match.
Magda Linet i kapitan Dawid Feld. Za nami losowanie, czas na rozgrzewkę, a zatem to jest odpowiedni moment, by troszkę przybliżyć sylwetki obu bohaterek pierwszego meczu Polska-Ukraina. Magda Linet, trzykrotna Pięknie. Pięknie młody.
Kasia! Kasia! Kasia!
Gosh.